Page 19, Scale Etude. We're back to another etude, and this is on the C major scale. Not really using, well, in a way you are, because we're using the fingering for the C major scale, if you look at it, because in the first measure, it's here, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's the fingering for the C major scale. Then you have staccatos, so let's connect. I'm using just a light pluck here, a light finger staccato. And the third measure, you're coming down. Get the third finger on, then you repeat and you do it again. And that's really what this piece is about. It's pretty short, pretty simple. In the left hand, you've got the chords, the primary chords. 4 chord, 1 chord, 5, 7 chord. Oh, they're all here. The gang's all here. You know. So let's try this out. They say moderato. I don't know what that is. You decide what moderato is. And medium loud, again, you decide. It's to the right hand, because that's where everything is happening. The left hand's just got the support chords, the harmony we call it. First and second endings, so we're going to do that. So let's try it out. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready and go, and.